Hey friends, Valeria here from Chase and Paper, and today I'm going to share a really easy and quick project. We are going to make these party favor pouches. So these pouches are based on my no glue floating pockets that I made for junk journals a little while back, and so that video went viral, and the reason people love these so much is because they are so easy to make. They're actually addictive. Once you make one, you can't stop, you want to make another one. So maybe you have your kid's birthday party coming up, or your grandkid's birthday party, or maybe it's a baby shower or a wedding, a bridal shower. So these make great and quick party favor pouches. All you have to do is to make one and fill it up with candy or whatever little things, little party favors you want to put inside. But yeah, so these are quite roomy. You can make them in different sizes, and by using different types of paper, you can achieve really any look you want, and you can make it match any theme that you desire. Whatever your party theme is, you can make it. These pouches are made without a single drop of glue or without a single staple. They are very easy to make. All you need to do is to be able to fold paper. So let's just go ahead and make a couple so you can see how easy and fast these come together. I am starting by getting a 12 by 12 inch piece of scrapbooking paper. But if you don't have any scrapbooking paper, you can use gift wrap paper. That's perfect for this project. You can use even, leftover wallpaper, or even brown paper from packaging if you really want to recycle. So anything will do. You just want to get paper that's not very thick and folds easily. So I have my one-sided scrapbooking paper here. I am flipping it over so that white unprinted side is facing me, and I'm folding this sheet of paper in half. Again, this is a 12 by 12 inch square. I'm folding it in half. I'm making sure that my crease is nice and crisp. Now turn it this way. See my part of the page that I just folded with the open ends? Well, I'm about to make a fold right here. I'm folding it towards me. And this is about a ½ inch fold, give or take. About ½ inch. You don't need to measure. You don't have to be exact. There you go. That's your first fold. And then I'm folding it towards me again. Another ½ inch fold right here. There. Now you flip this paper over like this. So your folded side is here. Now grab this corner where you just folded and bring it up this way. Make a crease. Now take your sharp corner right here. Pick it up and fold it to tuck it into your fold. That's it. Your little pouch is done. You did not have to use a drop of glue. You did not have to use any staples. This is perfect. This is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the back. Now you could put some party favors in there, some candy. Look how roomy that is. So let's put some candy inside. So you can see that it can fit quite a few pieces of candy. Or, if it's a child's birthday party, you can also fit some small toys. There. So now that I have my candy inside, this is what it looks like. And now, depending on how tall you want your little baggie to be, I usually cut about 1 inch from the top. Again, that is if you want that specific size. If you want them taller and don't mind them taller, do not cut the top. So now I flip it over where this fold is. I fold about 1/2 inch down like that. And now I'm going to get a paper doily. This paper doily is 5 inches in diameter. So it's going to fit your little pouch perfectly. So I'm going to fold my doily in half. And I'm going to put it on top of this little pouch like this. And I am going to punch 2 holes on top. Right here near the center, they're going to be approximately 1 inch apart. Hold your doily in place and go for it. 1 hole, the other hole. And now I am going to use this polyester ribbon. You can use twine if you prefer. You can use lace ribbon, but I'm just using this ribbon, which is 5/8 of an inch wide. And I'm going to take about 17 inches of ribbon. I'm going to go from the back of my pouch. I'm going to put one end of the ribbon into one hole. The other end of the ribbon is going to the other hole. There. Now I'm on the front again, evening out my ribbon tails. And I am tying this off and making a pretty bow on the front. There. Adjust your bow. Snip off the ends of the ribbon if you feel they are too long. And your pouch is now ready. And right here, right on the doily, you can write the recipient's name. So they can be personalized. You can put the child's name or the guest's name. And this is what it looks like from the back. So again, the great thing about these is they are so simple. You can literally make about 100 of them just in one evening while watching TV or binging your Netflix show. So fast, made with the materials that you probably already have. These little cupcake doilies are easy to come by. Check out your Dollar Tree or Amazon. So this is cheap, easy, and it's very pretty. Very simple. Let's make another one. Again, another piece of scrapbooking paper. Flipping it over that the white side is facing me. Folding it in half. Making nice sharp crease. Finding my open side. Folding it down. This is about a 1/2 inch fold. Folding it down again, also 1/2 inch fold. Flipping it over. Right here, grabbing my right corner right here on the bottom with my fold and bringing it up this way. This is really simple. You won't be able to stop once you make one. Make a nice sharp crease right here. If you need to help with your sharp creases, use the handle of your scissors. There. Now grab this sharp corner and fold this just like that into your fold. Once you fold it in there and tuck it in, it stays in there. You don't need any glue. There. All done. Your pouch is ready. Let's open it up and make some room in it. There, nice and roomy. Add in some candy. Or whatever other party favors you like to add. Alright, now I am adjusting it, making sure everything looks good. There. Snipping about an inch off the top. Folding this to the back. Again, approximately half an inch fold. There. Getting a doily. Folding my doily in half, like this. Placing my doily on top, like that. Punching 2 holes near the center, approximately 1 inch apart. Getting about 17 inches long piece of ribbon in the color that you like. From the back, putting one end of the ribbon through one hole, the other end of the ribbon through the other hole, pulling it out on the front, making sure my ends of my ribbon are even, and tying off a bow. There, snipping off the ends of my ribbon if they're too long. And there you go, another pouch is made. And so there you go, friends. As you can see, these little pouches are quick and easy to make, and they come out really cute. So I bet you can find hundreds of uses for this. If you like this little project, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friend. You never know when somebody needs an idea for quick last-minute party favor packaging. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.